To change the image's size, click the Zoom button in the toolbar or press the configured key binding, which is set to the Z key by default. Then, hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse up or down. The Zoom button is also available in the context menu, which can be accessed by right-clicking the image. Image zooming can also be performed when configured by pressing and dragging the right mouse button directly. To change the image's size to a fixed zoom level factor of 2, use the configured key bindings set to the up and down arrow keys by default. Press the Zoom 1x button in the toolbar to display the image at its original size. To adjust the image size so that it is fully visible within the panel, click the Fit to Screen button in the toolbar or press the configured key binding, which is set to the F key by default.